You're right, there's not much left.
Doc's never coming back. I'm sure gonna miss him, Jen. What the hell?
Doc! Marty! Doc! Doc! Marty! It runs on steam! Meet the family. Clara, you know.
Hi, Marty!
Ma'am! These are our boys. Jules. And Vern. Boys, this is Marty and Jennifer. Doc, I thought I'd never see you again. You can't keep a good tie us down. After all, I had to come back for Einstein. Well, I didn't want you to be worried about me. Oh, I brought you a little souvenir.
It's great, Doc. Thanks.
Dr. Brown? I brought this note back from the future and now it's erased.
Of course it's a race.
But what does that mean?
It means your future hasn't been written yet. No one's has. Your future is whatever you make it. So make it a good one. Both of you.
We will, Doc.
Stand back. All right, boys, buckle up.